Hello everyone and welcome to Shimoku. Today, we are pleased to present the Sales Orders Dashboard template, a key tool in advanced sales data interpretation and visualization. This dashboard is a showcase of what Shimoku is capable of, offering a user-friendly interface and data visualization that will enhance sales analysis in your company. The Sales Orders Dashboard is a panel designed to provide a comprehensive view of key performance indicators, KPIs, and sales trends both nationally and internationally. We begin our exploration with the header, which features the title Sales Orders Dashboard of the Control Panel, providing a direct and focused introduction to the panel's purpose. Moving on, we encounter the Key Performance Indicators, KPI section, where vital information is represented through elements such as the total number of accounts, orders per month, average spend per order, and growth rate. This graphical and informative representation allows us to quickly assess the health of the business in terms of sales and growth. The charts section is divided into two main parts. First, Sales Growth by Market segment offers a comparative analysis of sales evolution segmented by market categories such as electronics, food and nutrition, and household items. Then, Sales National versus International contrasts sales on a national and international level, allowing us to discern patterns and trends in different geographical areas. Now, let's check the code. Inside the API file, we find the main function that initializes and plots the dashboard. A Shimoku client is set up by loading environment variables, and objects of the board class are instantiated, which then perform data transformations and plot the panel. The board class represents a control panel that displays various data visualizations. In its constructor, we initialize variables and configure the Shimoku client. Then, we perform data transformations in the transform method before rendering the control panel in the plot method. The Sales Orders Dashboard class, which inherits from the board class, is specifically designed for this control panel. Configurations such as the Shimoku client and menu path are initialized in its constructor. The plot method defines the order of elements in the panel and generates key visualizations and charts for a detailed analysis of sales orders. The plot_header function within Sales Orders Dashboard is responsible for creating the header section of the panel. This section displays the title Sales Orders Dashboard, serving as the visual introduction to the panel. The plot_KPI_indicators function handles the key performance indicators. It extracts important data such as the total number of accounts, orders per month, average spend per order, and growth rate. These are presented through visual indicators that allow for a quick evaluation of the business's health in terms of sales performance. For the Sales Growth by Market segment visualization, the plot_sales_growth_by_market_segment function generates a detailed line chart that shows sales growth by market segment. This chart offers a clear visual comparison of how different segments contribute to sales growth. The plot_sales_national_VERS_international function takes care of the section on national versus international sales. It presents a line chart that compares sales in these two geographical segments, providing a clear view of how sales vary in different markets. This concludes the overview of our Sales Orders Dashboard template. Using the Shimoku SDK to build control panels like this is a straightforward and effective process. We invite you to visit our GitHub repository, where you will find the code available along with many examples like this one. Additionally, be sure to follow us on our social media channels for more updates, tools, and tips that will help you unlock the full potential of your data with Shimoku. Thank you for watching and happy coding!